So I'm unboxing a product that I got from Morning Save, and you can actually go to morningsave.com. I think it's on the morning show or something like that, but they have really good deals. Everything is like anywhere from 55 to 75% off. And I got this hair therapy bundle for 75% off. So it would have been like $300 something, I think, or $400 something, and I got it for, like, with tax and everything, like 40 something. So I'm going to be unboxing it. I opened the box already, but yeah, I wanted you guys to see what I got. So hair therapy is LED. I think it's LED. It's like red therapy, so it's actually healthier for you. So the bundle included, let's see. Yeah, so the bundle included the hair therapy blow dryer. It's 365C infrared blow dryer, which is this one. And then, oh, I can't open it yet, but yeah, so I got this. And then over here is the hair therapy flat iron. And it's like the wet dry flat iron. So yeah, it looks like that, which is nice. And this one is, yeah, 1.5 inch plates. So I got the wide one because I have a lot of hair. So that's the one I got. So yeah, so you got the Thairpy 365 infrared blow dryer, the wet or dry flat iron, but I won't be flat ironing my hair wet. I don't care if it's healthy or not. I just never believed in doing that. So I'll be using it for my dry hair. And then what really got me was the Thairpy 365 Tri-Curl. So it's multi-barrel digital clipless curling iron. So, and it's got 3 parts to it, which is this right here, which is really cool. So yeah, so I got this bundle, guys, all of this for, like I says, about 40, I think it was between $45, $48 with tax and everything, because you do tax and the shipping. So it came out to be 40 something, but it was actually like $39 for this whole bundle. So I saved like, it was like 75% off, which was great. So I forgot the original price, but I know it was either 300 and something for the whole thing, and then I got it for, like I said, 75% off. So yeah, so I got the blow dryer, the flat iron, and the curler. And this is interchangeable. This snaps off, and you can snap either one of those on depending on the size of curls you want, which is cool. So yeah, so this is, and I should be doing a video on using these products eventually. I'm natural, been natural for 7 years, I think probably 8 years. But yeah, but I'll be using all these and doing reviews on them so I can let you guys know how I like them. Anyway, thanks for stopping in, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.